Right. So the first thing which we will see over here is the unlock set menu. This is the non-veg menu which they have starting at $3.99. I hear that all of this which you see is going to be shareable. So that's one thing I've already confirmed with the owners. So you get wok tossed chili chicken, you get Kolkata mutton biryani, you get fish tawa masala and chicken chop. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on camera as well, so you can stay tuned for that. They also have a vegetarian option for the same. So that's for $2.99. Of course, the items would be different. Not just that, they also have a dessert with the combo and a complimentary lassi. So this is what the entire unlock set menu looks like, which is shareable. Let me quickly get inside first, show you what are the different safety measures they have before we move to the food items. I am going to enter now. Okay, it's showing full. Always make this mistake. Hi guys.
Hello.
Hi. So this is what this place looks like. Ankita, could you be just on camera? Can you show on camera what are the different things you're doing? Okay, so first is the temperature check. ठीक है. Then you have the body spray. All right. That is a sanitizer again. Then you have the thing over there, right?
The stand also.
Okay. So let's use the stand. We just need to. That's right. That's quite easily done. All right. Let's move to the menu, shall we? So once someone is inside, they don't need to wear a mask, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So you can take off yours.
Thank you.
Okay. And do you allow people to enter the restaurant without mask?
No.
You do not.
First you enter.
Okay.
Then you ask for the mask.
All right. Fantastic. But your server is going to be having the gloves and the mask on throughout.
The gloves and the mask throughout.
Great. Please grab a seat.
Thank you.
So we have Promit here, the owner of the restaurant. Promit, what do we have? What are we here today for?
We have a biryani combo.
Okay, this is the first thing.
Chicken biryani, a bit of salad, and a chicken kosha.
ठीक है sir. And what is this combo priced at?
$129.
So you get a portion of biryani with aloo and chicken, as well as a
Chicken gravy.
that is chop,
Chicken kosha.
chicken kosha. So this entire combo is priced at
Rupees 129.
120. Is that all inclusive or is there separate
all
tax?
inclusive.
All inclusive,
Yes.
129. Great. Is this available online as well?
Yes, this is available.
This very thing is available online as well. Fantastic. Next up, what do we have here? This is the platter.
This is the platter.
So this is the unlock platter is what you're calling it.
We have mutton biryani over here.
Okay.
Chicken chop.
Chicken chop.
Fish tawa masala.
Okay. 2 pieces.
Yes, 2 pieces.
ठीक है.
And we have a chili chicken over. 4
Okay,
pieces.
so that's a wok tossed chili chicken.
Yes, that's a wok tossed chili chicken. It's made with green chilies and spring onion. No sauce is added.
Fantastic. So this entire
And
thing.
there's a lassi also.
Lassi is also
Complimentary with the
complimentary.
platter.
It's a pretty large glass. So this is this shareable? I've told people that this is shareable because I don't think one person is going to be able to finish this entire thing.
You can share, but this will be a little bit less for.
That's fine. I am sure people won't complain if that's the price which they are paying for it. Finally, there's also another item over here before I get my
Fish fried
favorite.
special kebab,
Okay, I'll just lift
which is
this.
one of the signature dishes of our restaurant.
All right, that's a lot of cheese on top. What is this
has
price?
been the highest selling item during the lockdown period online.
Achha, so people are gaining a lot of
Yes.
weight during lockdown, huh? What is this priced at?
260.
260. And how many pieces? Does it
6
have?
pieces.
6 pieces. It's pretty good. So this is primarily what we are here for today. But I don't think any of my visits to Taste Ride is complete without a compulsory order of this. This is Taste Ride's Galati Kebab. I don't think, Promit, I've visited Taste Ride and I've had anything over here without this, right? So this is one compulsory item which is always made when I'm here. Because this is my favorite, one of my favorite Galati Kebabs in town. Whenever anyone asks me, I remember some time back, Adarsh had given me a call. He said, ki yaar, Galati Kebab kahan se khana hai? I said, head over to Taste Ride without even thinking. Because they have absolutely the right balance of masala. I like the fact that they give the parathas also complimentary with it, and it tastes really nice. So this is primarily what we are here today for. I am very hungry. It's already 4. We had to delay the live because of the rain. something about the rain following me. Before I have the ending words from Promit, I'm also going to show you guys their menu. So this is what the menu card looks like right now. So you have the different types of starters, you have the main courses, you have rice and noodles. These are the a la carte options. Their combos are pretty good actually. They give good portion of rice as well as 4 pieces of chicken at only 119, which is an all-inclusive price if you are dining. So that is there. There's also Indian combo available. There's biryani, which I've shown you. There are different types of coolers and desserts. It's just one side of the thing. There's also specialty items like the mutton galah kebab, which I've mentioned. There are different types of fish starters. There's biryani. There are extra add-ons. There's tandoor. You get different types of tandoor items. I can hear people salivating in the background when I'm calling out the names of the items. I'm sure it's the same for those who are watching as well. These are the gravies and the curries, and then the bread. So all of these items are available. Even the tandoor section is on right now. Okay. And what is your timing right now during the
12:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m.
to 9:30? So that has been extended from July onwards,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Fantastic. And is your delivery also till that time, or are you
Yes,
extending
the
your
delivery
delivery?
is
Till
till 9:30.
9:30. Finally, could you help those who are not really sure about the exact location of this place?
This is near Lake Mall.
Okay.
It's just the lane going beside it.
Mm-hmm.
Just একটু এগিয়ে চারুচন্দ্র কলেজ আছে চারুচন্দ্র কলেজের ঠিক অপোজিট
Take opposite. Fantastic. Thank you so much, Pramit, for always being a lovely host. We are dying to try out the food now. So, like always has been the tradition, the food items, the pictures as well as the videos of the food items will be posted by the members of the group from today onwards on the various platforms of Food Spa. Until next time, this is Food Spa wrapping up from the Taste Right. Cheers.